First heading, Operating System, OS. An operating system, OS, is system software that acts as an interface between the user and computer hardware. It manages hardware resources and provides services for application programs. Side heading, Functions of an operating system. First point, Process management. Second, Memory management. Third, File management. Fourth, Device management. Sixth, User interface provision. Examples. First point, Microsoft Windows. Second, Linux. Third, Mac OS. Fourth, Android. Side heading, Need of operating system. An operating system is needed because side heading acts as an interface. First point, connects users and applications with hardware. Side heading, Resource management. First point, efficiently manages CPU, memory storage, and I/O devices. Side heading, Process management. First point, handles execution of multiple programs. Side heading, Memory management. First point, allocates and deallocates memory to programs. Side heading, File management. First point, organizes and controls files and directories. Side heading, Security. First point, protects data and system resources from unauthorized access. Side heading, Convenience. First point, makes computer systems easy to use. Third heading, Bootstrapping in operating system. Bootstrapping is the process of loading the operating system into the computer's main memory, RAM, when the computer is switched on. The program responsible for this process is called the bootstrap loader. Side heading, Purpose. First point, initialize hardware components. Second, load the operating system kernel into memory. Third, start the execution of the OS. Fourth heading, bootstrapping process. Side heading, Steps. First side heading, Power on. First point, user turns on the computer. Second side heading, BIOS/UEFI execution. First point, firmware stored in ROM starts running. Second, performs power on self-test, post. Third side heading, hardware check. First point, checks CPU, RAM, keyboard, storage devices, etc. Fourth side heading, locate boot device. First point, BIOS/UEFI finds the bootable device, HDD, SSD, USB. Fifth side heading, load, bootstrap loader. First point, bootstrap loader is loaded into RAM. Sixth side heading, load operating system kernel. First point, bootstrap loader loads the OS kernel into memory. Seventh side heading, OS starts execution. First point, kernel initializes system services and device drivers. Eighth side heading, user login/interface appears. First point, operating system becomes ready for use.